water goes in the fridge. Yeah. Because that's where it belongs, man. Since I'm wearing a red shirt with Deadpool, not Spider-Man, I'm wearing my red hat. The Canada flag, not the US flag, like that other red hat. Anyway. And I have no idea what I'm doing. All I know is that I need to change my shoes and go to work. It's extremely windy out here. Well, not extremely windy, but it is windy. So I'm just gonna wait until I get, I don't know. I'll wait until after work to do any serious vlogging, because right now I can't really think of anything anyway, so why not? Look how blue that is. That water is so blue. I think they put a little too much dye in the water. That is bright. Yeah. But it looks good. It looks really, really cool like that. Where'd he go? There you are. Hi. It's Jack the squirrel. Peanut Jack, because he likes eating peanuts. So I've decided to call him Peanut Jack, because one person suggested naming him Jack, another person suggested naming him Peanut. So Peanut Jack. Going down. Mostly because he likes eating peanuts, so Peanut Jack it is. Yep. Almost locked myself in there. So Maria and I stopped at the store and we're just about to leave. I got standing there with this bottle of Dr. Pepper in my hand, and it's like, I gotta go to the washroom. I'm not gonna sit there and drink that and then have to go even more. So I went to the washroom and now we're leaving. And I don't know where I'm going now. How am I supposed to get out of here? Like seriously, man. There's no way out. Oh, there we go. Okay. I couldn't get out. See? I never lie. Of course, she's got to make herself look cool. Seriously, how cool does that look? That could be a screensaver. You know, like a desktop background picture. All you gotta do is press Control Print Screen and then open up your Paint and then save it as a picture and put it on your desktop background. It would be so awesome. Or not, I don't know. I really don't care what you do with it. Even if you don't save it, whatever. I just think it's cool. I took a screenshot of it. I'm gonna put it on my computer as a background. But I'm gonna do. But yeah, we're outside of Burger King. Gonna go in. See, there's Burger King right there. Nah, I don't know if I can get that. There we go. See, Burger King. Burger King. Yeah. And we're at Tim Hortons too. Tim Hortons right beside Burger King. And then if you look right there, beyond the Burger King, there's a McDonald's. So, yeah, pretty sweet. And it's still windy outside. But anyway, the whole movie thing is confusing me because I saw stuff on Facebook. One of Maria's friends posted on Facebook that they were at a monster truck event and they showed videos and stuff from it. So I don't know. Are they shooting a movie as well as having a live event like that and just letting people go to watch the event and then shooting a movie while they're at the event? Or is the movie going to be about a basketball game again and they're shooting that on different days? See, I have no idea. So I don't know. I have no idea what they're doing. Yeah. See, that light below me is because there's lights in the ground here. I think that is so cool, the way that they did that. Yeah, having the light in the ground, easier to see stuff. Yeah. So anyway, waiting for my bus. I got this to tide me over while I'm waiting. It's like 15 minutes for the next bus. Probably 10 now that I walked over here. Yeah. Oh man. I want to go on one of those so badly. Just to say that I've been on one. Yeah, it's like two buses joined together. But those are on a route that I never go on, so it's gonna have to be on a day where I have extra bus fare and I have nowhere to do, nothing to do that day except sit on a bus and ride it. I don't know. But yeah, that's one of my goals. And I'll put it in one of these vlogs for sure. Now the question is, am I going to finish this before the bus comes? I don't know. We'll see. If not, I'll just drink it on the way home. Wow. So I'm sitting here. It's after 2 a.m. 2:12 a.m. to be exact. And I forgot that I didn't end the vlog. Wow. But yeah, it was a really windy day today. Very windy. So it was hard to vlog outside, but I tried my best. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I hope you were satisfied with the content that I shared with you. I don't know. I barely get any comments, so I don't know what you think. I mean, I do get the few comments here and there, but not from everybody. You know, like I'll have, for example, off the top of my head, I'll have 10 views and 2 comments, right? What about the other 8 people that watched? Where are their comments? I don't know. But if you're one of the people that comment, thank you very much for commenting on my vlogs and letting me know how I'm doing. For those of you who don't comment, why not? You know, it doesn't cost anything to type in a little message to me. Anyway, I'm going to go, and I will be back tomorrow. No, tomorrow will be a Sims 4 episode, I believe episode 14. And I'll be back Tuesday with a brand new vlog just for you.